Hey there, it's such a beautiful day outside, isn't it?
Absolutely. I wish we could go on a spontaneous road trip right now.
Oh, that sounds like a fantastic idea. If we had a car, we would definitely go exploring new places every weekend.
Yeah, and if I weren't tied up with work commitments, we could plan these trips more often.
Well, if I had a magic wand, I would make all your work disappear.
Thanks. And if we knew someone who owns a car, we could borrow it for a day or two.
True. If we were more social, we would probably have more friends with cars.
Speaking of which, if we attended the Car Enthusiasts meetup last month, we might have found someone willing to lend their car.
You're right. But, if we were at that meetup, we might have ended up buying a car ourselves.
Ah, that's a possibility. If we had enough money saved up, we could buy a cool convertible and hit the road anytime.
If only we could win the lottery, we would buy not just one car but a whole fleet.
That would be the dream. And if we didn't have jobs to worry about, we could travel the world in those cars.
Oh, wouldn't that be amazing? If we could go anywhere we wanted, we would start with a road trip across Europe.
Yes. We could drive through picturesque villages, visit historic landmarks, and try various cuisines. If we were in Italy, we could eat pasta and gelato to our heart's content.
And if we happened to see the northern lights during our trip, we would be over the moon.
Absolutely. If we caught the aurora borealis on camera, we could share those mesmerizing moments with everyone.
I can already imagine the stunning photos we'd take. If we were skilled photographers, we could sell them and fund our next adventure.
That would be an ideal scenario. If we took photography classes, we would improve our skills and capture even more breathtaking shots.
True. And if we posted those photos on social media, we could inspire others to embark on their own journeys.
If we inspired people to travel, we would have a positive impact on their lives.
Precisely. If we made a difference in someone's life, we would find immense satisfaction in our travels.
It's fascinating how one small decision can lead to so many possibilities. If we hadn't become friends, we might have missed out on all these incredible ideas.
I couldn't agree more. If we had never met, we wouldn't have shared so many dreams and aspirations.
Well, I'm grateful for our friendship. If we continue supporting and encouraging each other, we will achieve all these adventures together.
Absolutely. If we stick together, there's no limit to what we can accomplish. Here's to countless adventures and fulfilling our dreams.
Cheers to that. If we keep dreaming big, we will turn those dreams into reality. Let's make every day an adventure, no matter where we are.
Agreed. If we live life with a sense of wonder and openness, we will experience magic in every moment. Let's make it happen.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.